More than 900,000 students attend public school in Tennessee across dozens of districts. Almost 1,700 schools are working not only to educate but to keep students safe. If you look at data from the COVID-19 dashboard, you can see the number of weekly cases for each district and schools that have closed because of the spread. Across the state, at least 5 children we know have died from the virus. Out of the 49 schools in Williamson County, 37 new student cases have been reported this week. Many of them are at Fairview High School, which will now be closed to in-person learning for 2 weeks. Some parents aren't happy about that decision. News Channel 5's Alexander Cohen talked with one dad who thinks that decision is jeopardizing his students' education.
Here at Fairview High School, the parking lot is empty and the bell is going off, but no students are changing class. That's because they all switched to distance learning for 2 weeks due to COVID-19.
We've used our hotspots from our cellular data plan for the children to be able to connect remotely to their classes. Several times a day they'll get kicked off.
Parent Biff Curtis says 28 people at Fairview High School are positive.
Now they're sending them away for 2 weeks.
14% of the staff is quarantined and 33% of students are quarantined due to exposure.
We've arbitrarily been selected to close down because of our student levels being below 70%, which is a flu metric.
Biff strongly disagrees with that, so he asked his attorney to request an injunction.
We're disrupting their entire lives. We're creating irreparable damage in these students' mental state.
Since Fairview High is the only school in the district doing distance learning, he thinks it's unfair.
My daughter, she's interactive. She needs to talk to the teacher. She needs to be in that environment.
He believes all students should have equal opportunity to education.
We live in rural Fairview, rural Williamson County, so our internet is not good.
The district spokesperson issued a statement saying, getting us back on campus is going to take the entire school community doing what it can to stop the spread of the virus following those health department restrictions. We are in daily communication with the health department and we are hopeful that conditions improve in the Fairview community so we can get back to on-campus learning and activities as soon as possible.
This absolutely puts the children behind in class.
Reporting in Fairview, Alexander Cohen, News Channel 5.